Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing this eye look and I'll take you through this half of my face. To prime my eyelids, as always, I start off with some concealer and blend that throughout my lid. Now I am picking up some brown eyeshadow as well as some dark brown eyeshadow to fill in my brows naturally. Please check description for all products used. I'll try my best to include them in the video as I go. Taking some Coty Airspun translucent powder, I am setting that concealer before it creases. Picking up the Dare to Create Morphe palette 39A, I am picking up stroke and putting that in my crease and in my outer V. Now going in with cat eye, I am adding depth to that outer V and crease as well. Here I picked up Create and dabbed some of that pink off on my hand to make sure I don't grab too much. I'm putting that a little bit over where I had stroke and cat eye. Now going to the crease, the cut crease. As you saw, I looked up to make sure the concealer could transfer and I would know where exactly is the crease, not just eye fold, and I'm carefully putting some concealer on that. And now setting that with some Coty Airspun translucent powder so that it won't crease. And now going in with Snatched over where I had put that concealer to add that brightening pink, shimmery pink. I go over the spot multiple times and I went in with a dry brush. You can also spray your brush with setting spray and it will allow the pigment to be more pigmented. On a smudger brush, I grabbed Cat Eye and Define Me to define that cut crease. Make sure I didn't lose it. Going in again with that pink, that Create shade, because I felt as if I had lost that pink. But it's always good to go back in with your transition shades to soften and make sure all your colors are blended. Now taking Bronze Chrome on that same brush I had the Snatched, just on the other side. I put that towards the end to create more of a transition between the shades. Here I am taking some of that Coty Airspun and just going over the edges to make sure it isn't harsh. I took the Wet n Wild primer and putting that where my pores are enlarged and where I have uneven skin. Blended that in. Now dotting my foundation to blend it in off camera. Going in with a little bit of contour and bronzer. Bronzer from ColourPop, and the contour is from Paris Hilton contour palette, Cocoa contour palette, excuse me. I have brought my contour and bronzer a little bit too low, so I'm just adding some powder. Curling eyelashes, and then applying some mascara. Taking Beam from the Jaclyn Morphe palette, I add that as my inner corner highlight. Now taking that Cocoa contour palette from Paris Hilton, and I'm taking Cocoa Glow, and that will be my regular face highlighter. Taking Milani Make It Last setting spray, I spray that all over my face. And that's the look, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you guys like it. And detailed description is below for lip color and everything else I used. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I love you guys.